It's a way of almost saying an action, but saying it in a slightly different way than you might in formal English. Hi everyone, welcome back to Speak American with Anu. I am Anu, your dramatic linguist. And today I want to talk about phrasal verbs. Now, phrasal verbs and idioms are often confused with each other. Idioms are phrases where the meaning of the phrase is different from the actual meaning of the words. The example, up in the air. Is that literally above the ground? No, it means something is undecided. That's what an idiom is. But a phrasal verb is a little bit different. A phrasal verb is when we use a verb like put, get, make, do, and we use a preposition on, off, in, away, above, next to it. Some examples are get on, get away, put off, make up, get in, let go. These are all called phrasal verbs. All right, before we get into this video today, drop a comment below. What is a phrasal verb that really confuses you? We're gonna do 3 phrasal verbs with put today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and please share this video so that your friends can learn the secrets and shortcuts to feeling confident in American English. Let's go. Put on, put off, and put away. If you stick around till the end of this video, I will give you one more phrasal verb bonus with put. Our first phrasal verb is put on. The easiest meaning is the physical. I put on a hat. I put on a shirt. You can put on pants, shoes, socks, even earrings. You can put on anything on your body. But there's a second meaning to put on, and that means to pretend to be something different. We use put on with accents and airs. Airs are when you are better than everyone. She puts on airs to pretend that she is superior to everybody else. I put on a British accent because I want to sound more British. Number 2, put off. Now remember, we don't say put off when we remove clothing from our body. We say take off. We cannot put off our hat, put off our shirt, our pants, our shoes, our socks, or our earrings. We have to take those items off. So we cannot use put off with removing clothing. But we do use put off to avoid doing something. Let's say John is at work at the office and he has hours of work to do. He wants to put off the work by reading a book or scrolling on his phone or maybe watching YouTube. I put off going to the grocery store. Instead, I ordered groceries to be delivered to me. I put off going to the mechanic even though my car really needs to be fixed. I put off going to sleep because I really want to watch the next episode of Stranger Things. Does this remind you of a body idiom? Can you guess the body idiom from my previous video that is similar to avoiding doing something that you have to do? Number 3, put away. Put away has a very clear physical meaning. You put something that you have in its proper place. A book, I put away. If I'm washing dishes, I dry the plate and put it away. I have a piece of clothing and I put it away. It's almost time for the bonus tip. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and please share this video. I make easy, fun, short videos every Thursday on vocabulary, grammar, culture, and pronunciation to help you feel more confident in your American English. All right, if you stuck around to the end of this video, here is the bonus phrasal verb, put in. Put in means to give a lot of time to something. Sarah is the hardest worker at our office. While everybody else puts in 8 hours a day, she puts in 9 hours a day. Put in is always used with time and effort. A mother tells her son, you got a C on your report card? You have to put in more effort if you want to succeed at school. Go do your homework. Hope that helped you understand how phrasal verbs are used. Next time, we will get into more phrasal verbs that are used every single day. Until then, practice makes progress.